Virtually every geology student is introduced to the phrase, "The present is the key to the past." A strikingly obvious place to see the geologic present linked with the geologic past is Sand Hollow State Park in Washington County, where modern, active sand dunes blow across ancient petrified dunes of Navajo sandstone. During the age of dinosaurs, approximately 200 million years ago, the red rock was blowing sand. This sand sea was bigger than the dune fields of the modern Sierra, covering parts of what is now Utah, Arizona, Nevada, and Colorado. Over time, deep burial and mineral cements turned the sand to sandstone. Uplift and erosion later exposed the sandstone, and ongoing weathering and erosion of the rock supplies sand for the modern dunes. Small amounts of hematite, a rust-like iron mineral, coat individual sand grains and color the rock reddish-orange. Note the exposed multi-directional cross-bedding due to changing wind directions. The vistas from this geosite are as interesting as the geology underfoot. Looking to the northeast, 1 million-year-old black basalt caps the bluff on the far side of the reservoir. The Brown Hill just beyond the bluff is a 350,000-year-old volcano. The cliffs of Zion National Park can be seen in the distance. And then there's the water. Completed in March of 2002, Sand Hollow Reservoir is an off-canyon reservoir filled with water diverted from the Virgin River after it flows out of the Zion National Park. Why a reservoir in a shallow sandy basin underlain by porous sandstone? The reservoir is designed to supply water to the Navajo sandstone aquifer for storage and later retrieval from wells located off-site.